We're also learning new information about the death investigation into 10-year-old Dakota Collins.
Montgomery County Children's Services tells us they did not have an open investigation at the time of the boy's death. 2 News reporter Adam Reif is live in the newsroom with the follow-up.
When Dayton police officers visited Dakota Collins' home this past May for a wellness check, Ohio state law did not require them to automatically inform the Department of Children's Services. That law changed just a few months before the boy's death. Now it mandates law enforcement officers report instances of suspected abuse.
If you genuinely think a child is an immediate risk, I would suggest that you call 911.
In May of 2019, a woman identifying as Dakota Collins' mother did call 911, alleging her son was being abused and requesting a wellness check. And police records show officers did respond to the home, but at the time, the law did not require them to notify Children's Services. That law has since changed.
Law enforcement is going to turn around and call child protection in those instances, so we will be out there in tandem with law enforcement.
A 3-year-old child who was also in the home is now being taken care of.
We have assured that child's safety, so we've looked at what are the resources available for placement, but I can't speak to any specifics about that.
Dayton Public Schools confirms that in July of 2018, Collins' father, Al Mutahan McLean, removed the boy from school in order to homeschool him. That removal also did not trigger an automatic report to Children's Services.
We don't get notified when that happens. I think it would be nice at times. If that were a check that we could, if we could get notification that a child's been pulled from school system.
Jewel Good says one of the department's challenges is working within the framework of the legal system.
We have a pendulum that swings, and that pendulum is balancing parental rights with child rights. And, we kind of live in the middle of that, and we're always trying to balance both of those.
Now, coming up tonight at 5, we'll take a deeper look into the requirements to homeschool a child and what DPS is telling us about the Dakota Collins case. Live in the newsroom, Adam Reif, 2 News, working for you.